3.
Hold on, open everybody. Crack.
2.
Hold on.
Wait, I need to
Open.
stop holding
3.
it.
Go ahead.
If I throw up at practice tomorrow, I blame my dad.
3, 2, 1, go.
How that first?
Oh, who was that? All right. Come on, Elder Duke. You got the spirit with you, boy. It burns. Rich is the winner so far. Lincoln second place.
This is me the one time I don't burp. You're gonna
Whoa, Lincoln. Mason, I think that was the second placer right there.
I have it in my womanly body to burp.
Porter, it sounds like you're calling a jungle animal.
I think I've been...
Oh my god.
That's disgusting.
You gotta chug, Autumn.
Come on, Otter.
That's right. That's what it.
Come on, Elder Duke. Are you serious? You look like you're in torture over there.
I'm like, nothing's happening.
Did you finish your soda already?
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, jeez.
Nice.
There it goes.
I just don't burp. I don't get it.
You're a precious girl.
I think
I had like a tiny one.
Okay.
I didn't know I could burp that deep.
That was pretty good, George. I think you win.
Autumn. Don't worry.
There it is.
There you go, Alden.
Now, Autumn, I'm forever gonna remember you for burping.
Did you get one out?
Yeah, like a tiny one. It's like.